Hello children, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's topic is Introduction to Trigonometry. I'll continue with that exercise 8.1. Okay. And fifth question. What is given for you? Given is secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. And calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So here this you can see that secant theta is given. That is secant theta is h by b. So now you can write as like this is given. Secant theta is 13 by 12. That means h by b. Before that, you should know all other sides. Say for example, you take the triangle. Okay, you take the triangle. This is a theta. This is your 90 degree. A, B, C. So h hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is how much? H is equal to 13. And h by base. Base is the near side, that is b is equal to how much? B is equal to 12. You have to find out AB, that is perpendicular you have to find out. How you are going to find out? You are again same. You are going to use the Pythagoras theorem. What is that Pythagoras theorem? States that in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay. So AC square is equal to, if you apply the formula, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What you have to find out? You have to find out AB. Okay, that is perpendicular distance. AC is given. How much is given? Hypotenuse is 13. So in place of AC you can write 13. In place of AB you can write AB itself, because you want to find out AB, right? So AB itself, AB square. In place of BC you write 12. Is it clear? So AB square, 13 square is how much? 169 is equal to AB square plus 12 square is 144. Is it clear? 12 into 12, that is 144. 13 into 13 is 169. Then 169 minus 144. That's equal to AB square. When you subtract, how much you'll get? You'll get 25. That is AB is equal to AB square is equal to 25, or AB is equal to how much? Square root of 25, or AB is equal to, so you got the perpendicular distance. How much? Perpendicular distance is 5. Now once you get all the three sides, then you can apply the ratios. Now already secant is given. The remaining trigonometric ratios you can find out. Like for example, cos theta. What is cos theta? Base by hypotenuse. That is, base is how much? 12 by 13. So that one ratio you got it. Similarly, next you can go for tan theta. Tan theta is how much? Tan theta is perpendicular by base. So what is perpendicular by base? Perpendicular is AB by BC, or opposite side by adjacent side. So AB by BC, AB is how much? 5. 5 by BC is 12. We got the tan theta relation. Then coming to another one, that is cosecant theta. What is cosecant theta? It is hypotenuse by perpendicular. So you can write it as hypotenuse by perpendicular, h by b. So that is 13 by, h is how much? 13 by 5. Okay, cosecant you got it. Secant already they are given. Okay, secant is given already. So then last one is your cot theta. So cot theta is how much? Cot theta is base by perpendicular, or adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now that is adjacent side by opposite side. Okay, so here cot theta is equal to base by perpendicular. What is base? Base is nothing but 12, and divided by perpendicular is 5. So as you can see, all the ratios I found out. Okay. Yeah, another one is sin theta. Sin theta is how much? So sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Yeah, sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is how much? It is 5. 5 by 13. Okay. So you can see secant theta was given for you, the ratio. Then I found out cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, cot theta and sin theta. So this is how, when they ask find the remaining trigonometrical ratios, you should find using table and using the triangle, right angle triangle. Okay. And what is given for you was theta. Theta, near to the theta is called as adjacent side, and opposite to the theta is called opposite side, and opposite to 90 degrees is called as hypotenuse. Okay. Then you apply Pythagoras theorem. Once if you don't know one side is not given, then you can apply Pythagoras theorem, because it is applicable for right angle triangle. And then using that you can find out the side. Then after finding out three sides, then you can find out using table all other trigonometrical ratios. So remaining trigonometric ratios are cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, cot theta and sin theta. Okay. So thank you for listening. Thank you very much.